This evening, a legal battle is looming between a Manchester resident and the Firearm Licensing Authority FLA following the discovery of a machine at his business place, which authorities believe can make parts for guns.
The attorney is also refuting claims that there was a standoff as the police and the FLA tried to gain access to his property on Tuesday. TVJ's Anthony Lugg reports.
This is the machine in question. It was discovered by the Firearm Licensing Authority on Tuesday after visiting this business establishment in Manchester. The FLA says the machine can make parts for guns, but attorney-at-law John Jr., who represents the owner of the machine shop, says the statement is frivolous. He told TVJ News his client imported the machine 4 years ago and it cleared customs without an issue.
There are, I think, some 8 machines like that in the island, in the possession of people who are in the business of machine shop operator.
Can such a machine make a firearm?
Any machine, well, every machine shop would be capable of making a firearm. No one machine can make the various parts. You don't just put a 45 or a 9mm and out comes a gun. There are several components to a firearm. Any machine shop can replicate those parts.
The attorney is also refuting claims of a standoff with the police during Tuesday's operation to access the business place.
I spoke with the FLA representative on site, indicated to him that I'd appreciate if before any steps are taken in the matter, that counsel be present.
The FLA reported that the probe began after 8 individuals in Manchester requested permits to purchase a high volume of ammunition in February. The owner of the Manchester property is one of the individuals. Speaking on RJR's hotline on Tuesday, CEO of the FLA, Shane Dalling, also explained what happened after the requests were granted.
Found that all the persons except the dealer himself had the stock remaining, high volume of stock remaining out of that. So it raised suspicion for us because but for the physical audit, we would have accounted for those rounds, 40,000, as being used and expended. So we would lose track of those rounds totally. So it caused us to launch an investigation into each and every one of those individuals.
Mr. Jr. disagrees.
He shoots competitively. Right? He's a licensed firearm holder, has been for many years. The club is going on a competitive shoot in Miami, in Florida, and as a consequence of that, number of the members going applied for practice rounds.
The attorney said the FLA has damaged his client's reputation and issued this warning.
We will take such action as to have the FLA correct that impression, and they either put up or shut up.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.